If you're looking for a meal that's easy to make and sure to please, Howard's got you covered. Today he shows us one that can be paired with soup or can be enjoyed on its own in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
When it comes to grilled cheese, are you a traditionalist? Or do you like getting a bit more creative by mixing and matching your cheeses and kicking it up a notch with, well, let's just say anything? No matter what your answer, I think we can all agree there is nothing more comforting than the ooey gooey toasted goodness of a grilled cheese. So let me share with you my favorite way to make them, and I think it's gonna knock your socks off. We start by beating together some cream cheese and mayonnaise until it's light and fluffy. To that, we add loads of cheddar and mozzarella cheese, along with a bit of garlic powder. After everything is combined, we spread it onto slices of sourdough bread, or you can use whatever your favorite is. Now we place another slice of bread on top and butter both sides. I told you this wasn't your everyday grilled cheese. Onto the griddle it goes to get toasted until it's golden and our cheesy filling is all melty. And whether you eat this as is or cut it up and serve them as a topper or a dipper with a bowl of soup, you can't miss. To get the recipe for what we call our ultimate grilled cheese sandwich, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an ooey gooey way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.